Okay, God bless you. God bless you. And make sure you bring the Africans come here. Tell them upper yard. Upper yard. Alright. Alright. Alright, my family. Alright.
It's J Sounds.
Wami, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today.
Old estate. Ish. That's too much. What? Hey. I was at that one. I'm such a Ghana state flag. Sanya na oba about 20 years. Yes, never one year. I said they will be to ammonia. And only as some no. But Uka is after now I get problem because we need super. Sa only no we need super. Oh, Sanya, if you are not say yet, you must to man. Ninya said to mana matama. Unia to mana matama. When now only no bet na bet na mo. This is would you know who boy to man? What's your challenge? Well, you don't quite do man. Your person could be a about your life, me now, yeah, do man. We're not sure where I am. Remember, many was when I'm copper man, so so you over time. But me, top woman. Trust me. Normal, I was in 8. But the other, near Ghana, what that? I had the old fiscal. It's would we hear on night me for 16 hours. Ish. Times 2. Now, see, can more you do? They made you what I said. Imagine, say, over time, they are about your time 6 coming. And then come over time. Good. You need to by you don't want to break as a man. You obey my view. Must have a 2 demands. I cry on by we are saying, I say about Uber Bressan, like I don't get man. One was so serious. One you know who's on Bobrana. Rebecca said we push him. We America, I watch you. Upstill. Ghana ke Podia. Pedia and Chipedia. Where Jamaica for Janka saw me go. Nya dia metimi that you. Where you soon, sir? Oh, I think. So you want to go to soon, sir. That was say, what you know they are mean to. I ain't a walk on. What you na higher him. Hajia what you Australia. With a video, local lecture. When you're for some level. Wow. Not for popular. Oh, no, did
It's J Sounds.
Wami, you got warriors here.
When I watch Pedia, and a cabin. You say, who's that? You know, I bet how? You see the world. There's a fire. The message was from Hanu to Hanu, Bunya Bass. Bunya Bass. Basketball. Oh, Juma. You. Bunya Bass now. That's about 5 stops. The moon what? No one starts. They are not the street. Really understand. So, it's difficult now. So, let me have it my half to go. I don't know what they do. It's would have human line. The merchant said, come on. The end, the home edition. Sir. What's it? That's what I said. That's a man of the what's now, what's next? Why? Because I walking. You know, doing on your boat, you know, my cousin members.
Come on, fresh for shit today.
delivery. No, that's almost 2 kind of baby people. Maybe some marriage.
It's J Sound.
Come on.
Why me, you got
Well, come here, my brethren. Why I say?
It's J Sound.
Why me, you got Warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Hey, come on, fresh and fresh today.
What's wrong with this guy?
Why me, you got Warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Imagine, a dear parent house. What's wrong with you? Look at him say what jai. Me know what has this here. Anytime I come for bar. No, you promised me you stop this shit. So what is going on, man? Huh? That's why I relocated. And look at what you're doing right now. 5 minutes spent on me far dear bano. I know what I'm trying to say. Police they do an offer now. Seven brow. No. Kumasi. I say, oh man, you're my difficult man. I'm trying to help you here. Me no kasan kwa on san kran kasa me dum no. Unu ya chiwa me mu awo. Even kwa matisa nya nkwa na wotwe. Yes, who you fentanyl. You use fentanyl. And it's very dangerous for your health. If you don't know,
what are you talking about?
Who use fentanyl? Oh, so wow, what you are okay. Hell, what's up with your t-shirt? What's wrong with you? Why are you wasting your life like this? Huh? Bro, you gotta put yourself together, man.
I'll do that.
I'll do that. I'm highly disappointed in you. And this shit cannot continue in my house, and you got to go there, right? This shit can't continue in my house. Permitting me peace, that one. Not in my house. Not in my house. Man, what the fuck is wrong with this guy?
It's J Sound.
Why me, you got Warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today.
Alright, sure.
Come on, fresh and fresh
Alright, sure, man. I got you, bro.
You're outside.
Yeah, man, we outside now, it's like that.
It's J Sound.
Why me, you got Warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Oh. Go around to Chicago, Baba. Nana Jansen, na baby, Oja Uja, Jansen, like that. Listen, bro. Yeah, this is America, you know what I mean?
You just got here, bro. You gotta slow down.
No, listen. This is America. Tell them, man.
Yeah, this is America. You got more time to do whatever you want.
Bro, listen.
Yeah,
You already know.
Why are you advising me, but you're not advising him? That is my problem.
It's a grown-ass nigga. You know what's up. You know what's up. You know the system. It's not a child. You know the child. You know the system. So you gotta chill. Yeah.
Charlie, you know something? More stressing me. Why? Let me live my life, yo. Yo, I got my own ticket, you know what I mean, bro? I got my own visa, you know what I mean? So what should be, bro? Whatever he says, he's trying to advise me, bro.
Bullying, that was the bullying.
Yo, listen,
I'm trying to be real. Yo, the drugs.
That's the bullying.
yo,
When you
listen.
bullying, you bully this nigga, man. You guys will leave
Yo, what's the problem, man?
Yo, bro.
You know, like that's the best advice.
You love me, bro.
Slow down with the drugs.
No, fuck that. Fuck that. You're outside. Yeah, fuck. In America. That's a dream. That's a dream. How you feeling?
No, I can't tolerate this shit, right? Let's see. And Kwasia, someone can't win the fear. Yes. A person that I want to help. Just make it who come and just it. Yeah. No, right now we have. Yeah, about 4 days in.
You're outside.
Yes, sir.
You already
I
know.
told you spot there. I say we are say. Are they an American? I spot there in America. Do you know the street more than me? We control. The bar chairs, oh boy, we control. We know the system. What are you talking about? I can consult for you for. Mobile area, I am crying. I'm sending you a bed. Those streets are.
I see this is black. I see. You gotta pay my
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Hey, come on, fresh and fresh today.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Hey, come on, fresh and fresh today.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today.
Hold on. Yo. Jinawa. Do not move an inch. Jinawa.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Hey, come on, fresh and fresh today.
This is what you came to my house with. Sure. The classmates in anyway, and I wanted to help you. Oh, Channel. Now, whoa. Get a bomb, what's on? So you mean to tell me 4 days in the Ungare? Oh my God, you stink. Boy, meet me to this shit. What you know? No movie. Never. I don't know if this one or this one. Police have framed 4 solid times. Say a ruffian black man being a man who won't win. Say, what do you mean by putting you in trouble? This should be your last one. It's always stepping foot into my house again.
Sorry.
This is not about sorry. This is not about sorry. When you're crying, you're too full. Okay, I feel so bad with China Bobra. And this is the path you're taking. And I don't want to be part of this path. Okay? Do not step a foot in my house. So when you let me move around here, my friend police and have a show. Do not. Don't try so. Who are they? Oh, I want to get. We are classmates, and I wanted to help you. And this is the stupid thing you have started doing. And I don't want to be a part of this shit. Hey, yo, stop this shit. Do not try this shit. Okay? Oh, that stupidity way cannot continue in my house. I tried to help you. I tried to help you. What is this? So, listen, everybody. I don't go to a free man. Hey, solo. Brady, the papa, the same. So me catch you. I warned you.
I'm your friend. I'm your brother. It's me.
Bro, you get it up. Leave here before I call the police. Leave here before I call the police. Me better me huni asem. Me huni asem. But because of you, many police calls 4 times because of you. I don't want to be part of your dirty life, your yours. Okay? Leave my premises right now.
It's J Sound.
Wami, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never
Cobby. Hey. Cobby. Friends till we die, and then you doing this to me, Wabuchi. You don't remember way back in school, Cobby. Cobby, na me class man, Cobby. The last man standing for you, Cobby. But hey, Abuchi, ultimate to me bag, mommy. Cobby. Hey, Cobby fresh.